Question number 40. Radioactive nuclei X decays to a nuclide, stable nuclide Y, decay constant is lambda, variation with time t, okay, is shown. Okay, this is growth of a new nuclei, daughter nucleus, this is decay of the parent nucleus. What is the expression for S over here? Okay, these two curves intersect here. What is it? Okay, so we know when something is decaying over here, the equation given here is n is equal to n naught e to the power of minus lambda t. This is what we know. And here what's happening? So, n is equal to so much, nt I can say. And here, the amount of the nucleus grown here is given by nt is equal to n naught minus this value, okay, n naught e to the power of minus lambda t. Now, at this point, what's happening? There's an intersection of two curves, mathematics, right? So, I can equate these two only at this point. I can say this is nt1, this is nt2. I can equate at this point, okay? At s, nt1 is equal to nt2, right? So when I do this, what do I get here? I can now write what is nt1? n naught e to the power of minus lambda t is equal to n naught minus n naught e to the power of minus lambda t, right? So when it takes that side, what will happen? Now let me take n naught common. I'll write n naught into 1 minus e to the power of minus lambda t is equal to n naught into e to the power of minus lambda t. So this goes away, okay, and then what do I get here? I can write e power minus lambda t is equal to 1 minus e power minus lambda t. To bring that one, so 2 e to the power of minus lambda t is equal to 1. This implies e to the power of minus lambda t is equal to half, right? Then what do we have? We are just deriving this one. So take ln on both the sides. Ln of e power minus lambda t is equal to ln of half, which should be equal to ln 1 minus ln 2. Ln 1 becomes 0. So the final answer is minus ln 2. So what is this? Ln of e power minus lambda t is equal to so much. So I can now write this as minus lambda t ln of e is equal to minus ln 2, right? So in other words, this ln e to the base e is 1, right? So I get this as this negative goes away, and this implies lambda into t is equal to ln 2. Where are we? What are we doing? We want the expression for s. S is what? T here, right? So therefore, I want an expression for t. So t should be equal to ln 2 divided by lambda. Okay. So t is equal to ln 2 by lambda. Ln 2 by lambda. Answer is here. If you ask me, should I do all these things in my exam because I have only 1 minute to solve? Definitely not. Okay. So what you need to do is that at this point, which will satisfy. So this is nothing but it happens at, so there is an expression. Okay, the expression is that t is equal to 0.693 divided by lambda. Okay, the 0.693 is nothing but ln 2 value. Okay, so directly also you can get. Okay.